Hello students, we are coming up with a JEE Advanced crash course both online and offline. This question which I am going to solve, the solution of this question is wrong and you have to figure out why is the solution wrong. I am sure that you can easily find out what is the right solution, but until you don't know why this solution is wrong, you will not identify the right solution in the exam. So let's see what is the question. A uniform rope of linear mass density lambda and length L is coiled on a smooth horizontal surface. One end is pulled up with constant velocity v. Then the average power applied by the external agent in pulling the entire rope just off the ground is. So the question is saying that when this coiled rope, when you make it simply straight, when it is completely hanging, the length is completely hanging from t0 to this point, what is the average power applied by the external agent? So what I am going to do is, the method I am going to use to solve this question is wrong. So what you have to identify is why is this solution wrong or why is this solution not working. So we all know that if you are pulling with the external agent, the external agent is doing some work and then work is getting stored in the form of the energy by the work energy theorem. And what is the energy? The total energy will be kinetic energy plus potential energy. So when this rope is just hanging, then the potential energy will be mg L by 2, which will be equal to lambda g L square by 2. And since the entire rope is now moving with the velocity v, so the kinetic energy will be half m v square which is equal to lambda L v square by 2. So the total energy will be lambda g L square by 2 plus lambda L v square by 2. Now average power can be defined as the total work done upon total time taken, which can also be treated as total energy upon total time. Now starting from t0 to stretch the length this rope to the length L, the time will be L by V. So we can say that the average power P is equal to lambda G L square by 2 plus lambda L V square by 2 divided by L by V, which comes out to be equal to lambda G L V by 2 plus lambda V cube by 2. This is the average power. And this answer is wrong. The correct answer is lambda G L V by 2 plus lambda V cube. So you have to find out why is this solution wrong, and you can clearly see that if you are finding out the average power, we can clearly see that the work done by the external agent, partly its potential energy and partly its kinetic energy. The portion which is regarding to the potential energy part, that is correct. What is wrong is the kinetic energy part. So try to find out why is this solution wrong. Okay, so I am Ghaznfar Ali and I have done my BTech from IIT Bombay, and I have a total teaching experience of around more than 15 plus years for JEE Advanced, and we are coming up with a crash course both online and offline. And in our crash course we are basically saying why series, how series and what series. Any question we will discuss in this test series, in this crash course, will be why. why is this solution wrong? Why am I not getting the answer by this method even though the method is right? So these questions in the why series increase your reasoning, and whatever conceptual gaps you have, your concepts are right but sometimes the solution is wrong. Sometimes even if the process is right, the solution is not coming. So why is that happening? And the goal by this why series is to develop conceptual clarity, deeper curiosity and critical thinking. Second part of the crash course will have the questions which are how series, that is how to solve it, mastering the right approach of solving the question. Basically JEE Advanced is a multi-concept question. So how to approach a multi-concept JEE Advanced question and how to think like a top scorer. And the goal of this how series question is to build a systematic thinking, because if it's a multi-concept question you should have some systematic thinking and your approach should be a problem solver, not just mug the formula and apply the formula, but it's a problem solver's mindset. And what series is about understanding what is the JEE Advanced exam, what is the nature of the JEE Advanced questions. It is very much different from the JEE main question. The JEE Advanced questions are tricky, they have multiple concepts, and what exactly is JEE testing in a particular chapter. The examiner always has an intent of testing something from a chapter. So in this series of questions we will build your exam intelligence, that you are able to understand what the exam is. So knowing what is important from the exam point of view and what is not. Okay, so we are coming up with this crash course for JEE Advanced after the JEE Mains exam, and the crash course will be available both online and offline, and you can all contact me on my mobile number which is below, and I can give you my mobile number, and my mobile number is 9001 784 209. You can always contact me for your JEE Advanced crash course both online and offline. See you again.